A very good morning to respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, learned teachers, parents, and dear students. As we all know that we are celebrating Fit India Week from 1st to 6th December 2020. On this occasion, I am here to speak a few words on the topic diets and nutrition during pandemic. More than 2500 years ago, Hippocrates said, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." Both nutrient intake and incidence of the diseases usually influence the nutritional status, particularly of developing nations, where everyone is striving for food. Inadequate diet and infectious diseases can lead to severe malnutrition. Today, COVID-19, a disease caused by a novel coronavirus, became a major global human threat that has turned into a pandemic. Coronavirus is one of the major pathogens that mainly targets the human respiratory system. In late December 2019, a cluster of patients were admitted to hospitals with an initial diagnosis of pneumonia of an unknown etiology. Early reports predicted the onset of a possible coronavirus outbreak called SARS-CoV-2, causing the disease COVID-19. The ongoing epidemic has been declared by the WHO as a global public health emergency. Experiences from previous outbreaks have shown that as an epidemic evolves, there is an urgent need to expand public health activities beyond direct clinical management and extend to cover basic principles of management and optimization of resource utilization. This pandemic imposed a new set of challenges for the individual to maintain a healthy diet. First, the state of lockdown announced in many countries around the globe led all public and private sector institutions, with the exception of healthcare facilities and a limited number of essential services, to close down and, if possible, carry its operations remotely without face-to-face interactions. Such measures of self-isolation and social distancing are known to be crucial in limiting the spread of the virus, flattening the curve of incidence rate, and ultimately disease containment. These measures have severe repercussions on both food access and utilization. Food access, however, is dependent on factors that could reach beyond the individual and are more directly related to actions and policies at the community, national as well as global levels. That said, the individual remains capable of making a few choices related to food utilization. The confinement to one's home has direct effects on one's lifestyle, including dietary habits, eating, and physical activity patterns. Confinement increases sedentary behaviors that involve activities with very low energy expenditure, performed mainly in a sitting or supine position. The low physical activity levels, even for short periods, could negatively affect physical and mental health. The state of lockdown and confinement could also lead to irregular eating patterns and frequent snacking, both of which are associated with high caloric intake and increased risk of obesity. Currently, the COVID-19 pandemic is the leading challenge across the globe. Therefore, scientists and researchers are attempting to create a specific vaccine for the virus. Even if they were able to find the vaccination method, there is a high possibility that other antimicrobial resistant infections will prevail in society. Nutritional status is very important to maintain a strong immune system against the virus. A balance that will guarantee a strong immune system that can help withstand any assault by the virus. There is currently no evidence that any supplement can boost our immune system and treat or prevent any viral infections except vitamin C. Vitamin C is one of the major constituents of water-soluble vitamins, which tends to make a strong immune system. The daily recommended dietary allowance for vitamin C is 90 mg per day for men and 75 mg per day for women. In the current situation, it is necessary to be aware of the specific types of food that can improve our immune system in order to combat COVID-19. Here are some authentic dietary habits to withstand COVID-19. Eat fruits daily like guava, apple, banana, strawberry, cantaloupe melon, grapefruit, pineapple, papaya, orange, with a serving size of 2 cups. Eat fresh vegetables like green bell peppers, garlic, ginger, lime, broccoli, green chili pepper, that is 2.5 cups of vegetables. You can also eat legumes, beans and lentils. Do not overcook vegetable as it leads to the loss of important nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. Eat whole grains and nuts, 180 gram of grains, that is unprocessed maize, oats, wheat, millet, brown rice or roots such as yam, Potato. Use nuts like almonds, coconut, and pistachio. Red meat can be eaten once or twice per week, and poultry 2 to 3 times per week. Use foods from animal sources, that is from fish, eggs, and milk, and 160 gram of meat and beans. For snacks, choose fresh fruits and raw vegetables rather than foods that are high in sugar, salt, or fat. Avoid irregular snacking. When using dried or canned fruits and vegetables, choose varieties without added sugar or salt. Make sure the food is prepared and served at acceptable temperatures, that is less than or equal to 72 degrees Celsius for 2 minutes. Limit the salt intake to 5 gram a day. Consume unsaturated fats, that is found in avocado, fish, nuts, soy, olive oil, canola, corn oil, and sunflower, rather than saturated fats, that is found in butter, fatty meat, coconut, palm oils, cheese, ghee, and cream. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. It helps to transport nutrients in the blood, get rid of waste, and regulate the body temperature. Maintain a healthy lifestyle of exercise, meditation, and regular sleep. Adequate sleep will help to support immune functioning. Eat at home to avoid contact with other people and try to reduce the chance of being exposed to COVID-19. A proper diet can help to ensure that the body is in strongest possible state to battle the virus. A certain amount of particular nutrient saturates into cells and prevents any kind of nutritional deficiency. Individuals consuming well-balanced diet appears to be safer with better immune system and lower incidence of chronic diseases and infection. So, take proper nutrition and diet and stay healthy and safe. Thank you.